Climb inside the 2013 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.